Hello and welcome to the last video of HTML tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss the ID, class, and name attributes. Let me just set up some initial code. Now, the ID attribute is used to select specific elements in HTML, and the class attribute is used to select a group of HTML HTML elements. So as you can see, I have given the first paragraph the ID of first para, and now I am going to add the class to the next three paragraphs. And I am giving the class the name item description. Now the ID is used by JavaScript or CSS to select the specific HTML elements and perform the manipulation in their code. And the class is used by the class is used by CSS and JavaScript to do manipulation to a group of HTML elements. Now I'm going to create a form to show you the example and usage of the name attribute. The name attribute is used in forms inside the input element to select the input elements and forward the data to PHP or to JavaScript, which uses document get element by name. We will get into details of CSS, JavaScript, and PHP in their respective tutorial series. And you will see these attributes in working in those tutorials.